Good day, friends. We still want to continue our class on ecology by taking this question on the board. A large percentage of tropical soils tend to be acidic because A. Contain large quantities of potash, B. Contain large quantities of lime, C. Lose a high proportion of their organic matter to running water, and D. Lose lime and potash from the topsoil through rain action. Let me analyze this question. When we talk about tropical soils, in the tropics is mainly dominant with large quantities of rainfall, heavy rainfall. So in the tropics, you think about acidity. You talk about acidity. So for you to be able to solve this question very well, when there are heavy rainfall in the tropics, what really happens is that there will be what we call, before that, the soil is actually, the soil has what we call lime and potash. Lime means calcium compound. Potash means potassium compound. When there are heavy rainfall during those periods, there will be leaching. Leaching means the washing away of the topsoil. When the topsoil are being washed away, minerals like calcium, which we call lime, calcium compound, and potassium compound like potash, which we call potassium compound, are washed away from the topsoil. This will degenerate into what we call acidic soil. So let me analyze this question very well. When we have tropical soils, in the tropics, tropical soils will lead to what we call leaching. Leaching means washing away of minerals like potash and lime. And when that happens, we talk about we have loss of lime and potash, and this will finally lead to what we call acidic soil. So let's go through our option again. A large percentage of tropical soil tend to be acidic because it contains large quantities of potash. No, it does not. When it washes away, it doesn't contain large quantity of potash, so this is wrong. Contain large quantities of lime. When you wash minerals from the soil, it doesn't contain large quantities of lime, so this is wrong. We have lose a high proportion of the organic matter to running water. No, we are talking about minerals like lime and potash, so this is wrong. And lastly, lose lime and potash from the topsoil through rain action. That is what we call leaching. I hope you have gained something in this video. See you in my next video. Bye.